Welcome, today in front of me Honor 50 Lite, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll here to the sounds and vibration. Now just here you can see the sounds and silent and vibration modes. We can just set them just by select one from these modes by this way. Here we got the volume panels, the different volume panels. We got here the ringtone, alarm, music, video, games, and calls volume panel. We can change the volume just by swipe this dot to the left or to the right side with our finger. Here we got the volume button control function. We can by use our volume buttons change the media or ringtones and notifications. Here we can set the new ringtone for our scene 1 and scene 2 because we got 2 SIM slots here, so we can select 2 different ringtones to each of the SIM cards. Also we can change the notification tone. This don't disturb mode, we can turn it on or turn it off, and also we got here more settings. We can select here the keypad tones to enable or disable the screen lock sound, the screenshot sound. Just by click once on the switcher you can turn it on or turn it off. Also we can see here the screen touch sounds, or just turn it on or turn it off by the same way. Click once on the switcher. Also you can enable or disable the vibration when device ringing, and to activate or turn off the system haptics here. Also we got here the wireless emergency alerts. Here you can also enable or disable all of these options by click once on each of the switcher here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.